Go ahead.
30 years ago, the Occupational Safety Administration did a study about all the injuries that happen to carpet layers. They're injured 6 times as much as any other profession, and the study revealed that the manufacturer of carpet tools should develop safer and better carpet tools. The carpet tool in question was the knee kicker that does a lot of serious injury to many carpet layers all over the world, yet it still exists. They singled out this tool as being a terrible tool, and nothing was done. I was a carpet layer for over 50 years. I did a lot of research. These are all my books on physics. A lot of them deal with the human body, mechanics, engineering, and all that. And I went ahead and devised a safer and way better carpet tools than they have. We completely replaced the knee kicker with devices that attach to the stretcher, and they do the whole job. You don't need to use this tool. They're all somewhat different. We have a tool for every knee. We also have a tool for stairs as well. And you don't need a knee kicker. You'll be a lot safer, a lot healthier, and you won't be one of the statistics that has to quit early in their career because they're crippled. Knee surgeries, hip replacements, all these type of things, along with back injuries and everything, are all caused by the knee kicker. And there are people that are as young as 40 with knee replacements, hip replacements, back surgeries, just all because of this one tool. And nothing is done about it. It's all over the world. Even consumers are using it. This is a very dangerous tool. Please do not use it. Thank you.